introduce you to the Huion Canvas Slate 11 tablet, which would be perfect for this back-to-school year. It features an 11-inch screen slightly larger than a regular A5 notebook, making it easy to fit in your backpack and perfect for on-the-go use. And if you're a student just like me who loves to draw, design, or even just take aesthetic notes, this tablet might be the one just for you. The Canvas Slate 11 is also slim and lightweight, which makes it easier to carry in a backpack that's also great for hybrid learning. Its sleek aluminum back case provides a comfortable feel in hand, making it ideal for taking notes and recording ideas. Canvas Slate 11 features a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals with no lag. This makes images more vivid and allows you to immerse yourself in a seamless creation experience. It also enhances your viewing experience whether you're watching films or playing games. Class is back this season and so is endless of study sessions. Visit huion.com to join their back-to-school campaign today. This is a chance to save big on premium drawing tablets, get exclusive bundles, and unlock your creative potential with tools designed for artists and learners of all levels. Go check out the website that's linked in my description box below.
na lang. Ayaw mo kwintas? Ba't ayaw mo?
Fly me to the sky above the clouds where all the stars are circling around with you. Take me to the ground and get me a pair of red roses in the garden with a full of blooming flowers. The earth and a joy to see you, a lovely boy, but all I will feel is blue. All I could think